All right, so we're here at a test and tune at Norwalk. We've ran twice so far. First time we ran a 1267 at 107 miles an hour. I got a decent light, 64 light, not hateful. 60 foots are about 1.94. Eighth is 8.1. The second time I just ran red lighted, but ran a little faster, got a 1252 at 108. The 60 foots are basically the same. One's 1.946, the other one's 1.929. Eighth mile, I picked up a 10th. The only thing really different I did the first run, when I was racing with the smaller tires, I shifted at 6, and I'd go through the traps at 6. First time I ran, I shifted at 55. Went through the traps at 55. The second time, took it to 6. When I crossed the finish line, I was about 5, maybe 51, 52, something like that. So what I'm thinking is, I think those big tires that I spent all that money on, I think I might need to sell those and go back to a smaller tire. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Originally, I had a 27 by 8. We went with a 29.5 by 10.5. I'm thinking if we do like a 28 by 9 or 28 by 10, I think that's going to be the winning ticket to get us back where we want to be in the 12s. I think we either need to go with a steeper gear with these tires, or smaller tire and maybe a steeper gear as well if we want to break into the 11s. But yeah, just want to hop on here, give you guys a quick little update. We're going to keep running a few more times tonight, and I'll give you guys an update with that. So we just got back from the track. It is 10 o'clock on Wednesday night. We're about to do some gears in this thing so we can go racing in 2 days up in Milan. So here we go. Well, we just pulled a rear end out in 22 minutes. All right, so we got the rear end back in the car. We got the new gears in there. We went out and did a couple test hits on the road. The car feels great. Definitely feel like it's a little bit faster from takeoff. So we got about 14 hours before we leave for Michigan, head up there for the Nostalgic Nationals. So we got to get this thing loaded up, we got to get packed up, and we got to get to bed so we can hit the road. We'll see you guys next time.